Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a Simple AI Agent, Automating Tasks with Python. Imagine a helpful robot assistant that can do tasks for you. That's an AI agent. We'll build one using Python to automate simple things, like organizing files or sending emails. Think of it as programming a robot, but instead of physical movement, it manipulates data. Python is a programming language, the instructions we give to our robot. It's like speaking a language the computer understands. We'll use simple Python code to tell our AI agent what to do. No prior Python experience needed. We'll cover the basics. Let's build an agent that sorts files into folders by type, images, documents, etc. Think of it like a digital librarian. It reads file names, determines file types, and moves them to the appropriate shelves. Folders. We'll use Python commands to explore a folder, read file names, and identify file types, like .jpg for images, docs for documents. It's like teaching our agent to read and understand file labels. Next, we'll write code to move files into designated folders. It's like giving our agent instructions to put each book, file, on the right shelf, folder. Time to test. We'll run our Python code and watch our AI agent automatically organize our files. It's like watching our robot librarian tidy up the library. This is just the start. Once you understand the basics, you can extend this agent to automate other tasks, such as sending emails, web scraping, or even simple data analysis. The possibilities are endless. We'll briefly explore more advanced concepts, hinting at how this simple agent can evolve to handle more complex problems, foreshadowing future lessons in the series. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.